Good afternoon, everyone. It's an honor to be present here, speaking to this August gathering. I'm architect Maitrey Kude and a graduate from the very first batch of Brick Group of Institutes. And I can, from the bottom of my heart, say that this place is home. Thank you, Purva ma'am, for inviting me here today. It's hard to believe that I walked down these very doors to start my architectural journey almost 10 years ago. Wow, I'm old. My batch, and I can safely say this on the behalf of them as well, watched the school grow alongside us. This place has been special in all of our hearts, and I am what I am today, largely because of Brick and its people. I'm sure what I share here today resonates with all my fellow batchmates and my juniors as I stand here on behalf of them. Coming to Brick was an unexpected opportunity that I could have hardly imagined. With both my parents being architects, my path in architecture was guided by a list of institutions that I aspired to join. Then, by luck or by fate, Brick opened its doors the very year we applied for our bachelor's. My parents shared a close connection with Purva ma'am and Girish sir, and all these things coming together made us feel that this was an opportunity that we should not miss. A journey that I'd always treasured being a part of. And the decision wasn't a straightforward one, especially for a lot of us in our batch that year. We were stepping into a place that was still growing, with a faculty that was shaping its presence. We were all conscious of the risks we undertook. Yet, deep down, we held an unshakable belief that this would be an amazing experience and will fill us all with immense pride. Every day for 5 years, we wandered around this very campus. And witnessed its growth brick by brick. From excavation and foundation to slab casting, cladding, column positioning, perhaps destiny led us all to Brick. And looking back, this was one of the best decisions to have taken. I remember I was taken aback when my mother asked a very honest and straightforward question to Pooja ma'am, that this is the first year of the college and I hope the college remains open. But it was an important question that needed to be addressed at a time when there were a lot of schools and institutions that closed abruptly. And I'm sure it was a question many of us had when joining a new college and a completely new campus. But to Pooja ma'am and Purva ma'am's credit, they did not take this question as a question of their character, but reassured my mother to trust in the school and faculty that there would be no hurdles in the batch's education. I must commend Pooja ma'am and Purva ma'am for taking such a heavy question sportingly and to know with absolute certainty that the college would definitely be successful. And it has been. We are now not only running 2 bachelor courses, but now 2 master's courses as well. And I can proudly vouch for the vision and caliber for the institution, as the interns from Brick that train at my office have always been consistent with their work and understanding. This clear vision and high caliber stems from the genuine passion that Pooja ma'am and Purva ma'am dedicate to running this institution. The management has had 4 pillars who form the foundation of Brick and also the students here. In our years, it was Pooja ma'am, Purva ma'am, Girish sir and Anand sir. And in one way or another, they all continue to be this, and we have indeed been blessed to have them as a support system. To the entire cohort of our faculty, old and new, you have all been the best group of guides that we could have ever asked for, and thank you for being the best faculty ever. And here I would like to take this opportunity to also thank our very dear admin and support staff. They have hands down been the best group of support that all of us could ever imagine, and they have still continued to be so. We all still visit the college regularly, and every time the admin office is the first place that we run to. What more can I say about the college? The 5 years we spent here were the best ever. We've had the best faculty, the best support staff, the best of friends, and the best juniors. Brick is family. We went through everything together, from backlogs to parties to mass bunks to fights with the faculty, heartbreaks, times of laughter and tough times. But this place is forever etched in our hearts. Professionally and personally, Brick has had a huge impact on me. I have grown to be not just a better architect, but also a better human being, as Purva ma'am rightly said about the culture that is being etched into us. Even when I pursued my master's in London or worked in Mumbai at a very competitive office, I realized that the teaching quality at Brick helped me in being ahead of the curve always. Well, coming to the graduating batch, it is their day today as well. What can I say? You've lived the best time here, and the life out there might seem a little tough, yes, but be excited for it. Brick has prepared you well. Things would be changing now. Some of you shall proceed for further education, some may work, and some may also start their own practice. But always remember, what you have learned here would be important forms of life skills that stay with you. Life can sometimes be a little intimidating and scary, and it's okay to be scared. I want to share a quote from Tom Hanks that I often revisit during different phases of my life, and today I'd like to share it with all of you. Nothing, and I repeat, nothing lasts forever. You feel bad right now, you feel low, you feel angry, this too shall pass. You feel great, you feel that you know all the answers, and you feel like everybody finally gets you, this too shall pass. And time is your ally, and if nothing else, just wait. And what if it still does not feel right? Then it's not the end, क्योंकि picture अभी बाकी है मेरे दोस्त. This is a lesson about impermanence that I always keep close to my heart, and it keeps me grounded when things are going well and helps me stay resilient during tough times. I'm not too old to give you big life advice, but life ahead that seems challenging, but all journeys become less intimidating when you know that your friends and family are always there with you. Cherish these friendships, cherish these bonds, they're going to last for a lifetime. Even for us, we may not meet every day or talk every day, but we all love each other and are one of the closest friends and family that we've ever made. You shall, like us, forever be a brick in the wall and help it standing tall and strong. I welcome you to the Being Architects today, and it's an honor for you now to be able to add the prestigious AR as a prefix to your name. Welcome to the other side. You guys have worked really hard and enjoyed to your fullest. I wish you all the very best. One last time, on behalf of all my classmates, juniors, a heartiest congratulations to Brick on completing 10 amazing years. Many, many more to come. We could not be more proud, and I'm immensely grateful to be here today. Once again, I would like to thank Purva ma'am and Brick for giving me the honor to be on stage.